So today I'm gonna teach you how to create a perfect response to this very important question which is usually asked in the interview and where people get confused the most. And that question is, why should I hire you? So if you are really interested in knowing how to create a perfect response to this particular question, so get into the video. See you there. Hi, I'm Harsha Sharda and keep watching this space for personal development, communication skills and interview preparation videos. So today I'm going to tell you how to create that perfect response to this question which people get really confused upon is, why should I hire you question. Now this question is the part of every other interview wherever you go for, in whichever field you go for the interview. Now, how to create a perfect response in terms of what you need to exactly tell or what your interviewers exactly want to listen from you. Now here we need to first understand the reason behind asking this particular question. The reason why interviewer is asking this question in the first place is whether or not you have gone through the complete job description that they have sent you across in a form of file or in a form of note, whichever it is. Have you really gone through that or not? Second, they also want to check upon the confidence level of yours, that you yourself feel confident enough that you are the suitable candidate for this particular position. So two things you have to keep in the mind before answering this question or before preparing for this question is, you have to thoroughly read the job description which has been sent to you. You have to also understand the website of the company. You have to go and you have to research about the company. You need to know about their core beliefs. You need to know about their systems, their acknowledgements, everything you need to know about what this company does and everything else. So this is the little pre-prep that you have to do for this particular question. So usually how people respond to this question, they always come up with the responses like, I will be an asset to your organization. I'm going to give my 100% to the growth of the organization. I'll be this, I'll be that. We need to understand that they are nothing but plain promises that we actually do with the interviewers. But interviewer do not require your plain promise. They need proof, they need evidence that how can they trust you. So what you have to come up with is, you have to come up with the credible proofs and evidences that can show your suitability for this position. Now how you can build that credible response? Now let's understand. Number one, when you are creating this response, first of all, you have to acknowledge that you have been given this opportunity and you really value this opportunity. So maybe you can start this response with that, I know that being the part of such a prestigious or esteemed institution will turn out to be the perfect launchpad or jumpstart. It will give a good jumpstart to my career, right? Secondly is, you need to show confidence. So what you need to say is, I'm confident enough that I'm equipped with the right skill sets, abilities and experience so that I can do justice with this particular job, so that I can perform my duties and functions well, right? And then thirdly, what you need to exactly do is, you have to match your skill set, your abilities, your personality traits and your core beliefs and value systems to that of the things which are being asked in your job description. So you have to be very clear about what exactly they are asking for. So what you need to actually do is, you have to sit with that particular note that you get as in for the job description. There they tell you your roles, your responsibility, what you're expected, what kind of functions you need to discharge on the job. So you have to mark it very clearly out what kind of functions they want, what kind of skill sets that they are looking for, what kind of personality traits that they are looking for, and then understand your own personality traits, understand your own skill sets, and then try to marry both of them. So what you need to actually do is, pick out the same skill set, pick out the same personality trait from yours, and then try to marry it with the functions that they really require. For example, let me tell you. Now there are two kinds of a skill set, and I've already told you there are technical skill sets and soft skill sets. In the earlier video, I've already told you about this. Now technical skills can be like the hard skills which are really important to get the job done, which is exactly why you are being hired. So you can say for technical skills, that is analytical skill is there, logical reasoning is there. There are so many technical skills out there. Now, what you need to do is you have to say that because of my good analytical skills, I'll be able to do this particular job well. Or because of my good data interpretation skills, I'll be able to do budgeting or do restructuring or maybe reporting. Okay, like that. Now, because I'm a focused and resilient person, I'll be able to do the complex reporting systems and deal structuring optimization. Now again, for example, you can also say that you can come with the response that because of my sound communication skills or sound interpersonal skills, I'll be able to forge better relationships, fruitful relationships with the clients and the investor. So likewise, you have to pick your own skill sets and abilities and experience, and then you have to marry it with the job descriptions, and then you have to prepare a cohesive answer about the same and present it to the interviewer. Now the question arises that how can you come up with your own exact skill sets, personality traits, abilities and experience so that you can weave out a story that looks perfect for that particular job description? How can you present it in such a organic and cohesive manner that they actually bring the impact out there for the interviewer? Now this you can only do when you have certain guidance. So it's very important to get guidance for the interview prep. Do not delay on the guidance, people, because guidance is something that is really important. We all prepare for every exam in our life. So it's very important for us also to prepare for our interview beforehand in the form of interview skills prep. So if you really have any kind of doubt, any kind of questions you want to ask me, please comment below. And in case if you're looking for interview skills preparation, then I'll be sharing the contact details in the description box and will be happy to hear from you. And all the best for all your interviews.